For this watercolor portrait, I started with the drawing ready on the good thick paper. For the base of Caucasian skin, I like to use Gamboge yellow and a red. My grandma had Native American heritage, so I darkened her skin tones and brought in some burnt sienna for this next layer, just to make it more specific to her. And when you start bringing in the blush and the lipstick, she really starts to look lovely. I always like that step when you bring in the blush. And it's just, when you're doing these portraits, it's layers of shading. You have to save your whites with watercolors. I'm a traditionalist. I don't use white paint with my watercolors. And laying in more shades, and I don't like to watch paint dry, so I'll work on one section of the painting while another section dries. I did the blue layer underneath the black of her sweater there to help incorporate the colors of the background, which I used because they matched my grandfather's portrait that I did of him several years ago, the blues and the greens. But she's starting to look real pretty.